Assalamu alaikum everyone. To download Saber plugin, open your browser and write download Saber plugin. Go to the official website of Saber. Scroll down a bit and you will see two options here. I am using Windows, so I am selecting this one. My Saber plugin has been downloaded. I will open this file, or you can visit your download folder. From here, select the file and right click. I am using WinRAR for extracting my files. You can use 7-zip or any zip file extractor. Click on extract files and click on OK. Enter into the new folder. Double click. Press yes and select I agree. Install. Finish. My Saber plugin installation has been completed. Now open After Effects. I am taking a new composition so that I can show you the plugin. Go to Effect and Presets and type Saber, and you can see my Saber plugin has been successfully added to After Effects. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you very much.